Alright, here we go. Little short position here. We want saying the market goes down. This red column I clicked on is what point and click. That's it. The green column is if we want to go long. We're going short here. We want the market to go down. These automatic orders set up. The one on the bottom is a profit target in green, and stop protection at the top if things don't go the way we plan. Nice little signal coming off the resistance trend line here. We also broke through a horizontal resistance line. So now again, Russell 2000, each tick here or movement, and that's represented by all these little all these numbers in the middle and in the white column in the middle. Those are called all the ticks. Individual, they're each worth $10 a contract, but we're in 10 contracts, as indicated in the red at the very bottom of the middle column. It says 10. Now you see it moving by $100 increments. That's because we're in 10 contracts. That's the 10 contracts times the $10 a tick. Now here we are going for a 10 tick profit target. We got in at 44.90 and we're going for 43.90. That's 10 ticks. So 10 times 10 times 10, $1,000 profit target. Oh, there it is. As you can see, it bouncing right off that resistance line as planned. But it doesn't always work as planned. You have to remember, this is a statistical probability. Once you're in the trade, anything can happen. Okay, now you see we're hitting off a support, so we got to be careful here. We might go long right after this, but we have a little bit more down, one more down thrust, and we should be good to go on this thing. So a lot of people get kind of cold feet right here and antsy, and they just pull themselves out of this and leave 3 ticks on the table, which doesn't sound like a lot, but you do that for a couple hundred trades and that's an awful lot you're leaving on the table, and that's just because you're scared. So that's a benefit of the trading room. You have some of these top traders tempering your fear, which is really the key to this whole thing. Anyone can learn technical analysis. That's easy. It's staying the course is what's hard, especially when you're scared. Greed doesn't have a whole lot to do with it. It's mostly the fear factor. Greed has a lot to do with position trading, investments, things like that. With day trading, fear rules the day without question. Fear rules the day. Well, let's try third time's a charm here. Still no. Oh, there we go. 1 contract, 2 contracts. We still got 8 to go. Got filled on 2. So what are you going to do? You wait is what you do. It'll come down and fill these right there. 7 left. So we're filled on 3, filled on all of them. So there we go. Hit our 1,000. Now you see we're going to have a long position possibly right here. There we go. And go do a little quick snapper on this one off this support level here. So they can happen pretty quick, as you can see. Okay, so we're getting a little bit sideways here. We're just going to take ourselves out of this trade. The market has not made up its mind. We'll go to break even here on our stop. So either we hit it or we don't. Either we hit it or we don't. Either way, we don't care. The market is kind of indecisive. So if the market doesn't really know what it wants to do, what are we doing in the market? So I put us at break even, and we still are profit target, and so who cares at this point? It's what happens happens. If we get lucky, we hit our profit target, and that's about the extent of it. But if we get stopped out, we aside any slippage, we get out at 0. Looks like it might stop us out here, but you never know. Market's it's kind of erratic right now. A lot of whipsaws. If we hit our profit target, it'll be strictly because of a whipsaw. It won't be because of some kind of a master. it's not because I'm seeing something here. It's just that this, if we hit profit target, this will just be luck of the draw. If we get stopped out, equal. It's indecisive market. So it's sideways, as you can see. If it's sideways, it means buyers and sellers don't really, no one's in control. So we're full on gambling right here. But that's okay. That happens sometimes. But you have to know, you even have to know how to manage that. If you don't manage, there's all different little scenarios you have to learn how to manage, and our traders show you how to do that. Well, this time we hit our profit target, so we're up 1,400 on 2 trades, and I don't think I'm going to touch this market right now. I think I'm going to go ahead and just bow out and call today. So 1,400, 2 trades, no stops.